Peace and blessings, everyone. So, today, I decided not to do any work. I'm an entrepreneur, guys. But I decided not to do any work today, not to answer any emails. I was going to take today just for me. Because, guys, self-care is important. If not, you will go crazy. You have to take time for yourself. So, I'm out here at the park. I love nature. Isn't it just beautiful out here? Yep, today is just for me. Just gotta, unwind, breathe, just peaceful serenity. Alright guys, I'll be back in a little while. Just wanted to let you know what was going on. Remember, take care of yourself. Take time for yourself. It's okay to say no. Because if you don't take care of you, how are you going to be there for other people? You come first. Remember that, guys. Oh, I wish you could see what I see. It's so beautiful. Oh, so peaceful. Alright, so I'm going to walk around this trail a couple of times. Enjoy the beautiful weather. Enjoy nature. Watch the squirrels run in front of me. Alright, I'll be back soon, guys. I wanted to give you guys a closer look at this water. Oh my gosh. Can you hear it? It's so peaceful. Look at that. The water is flowing so peacefully. Ever flowing, ever flowing.